I started Google searching on different paint options, natural options, and then this article popped up about hempcrete. And I was like, what is this? And it just seemed too good to be true. I'm a painter. I sniff a lot of paint, and I don't like it. As a singing background that I've grown up with, I that was my previous profession. My throat and my voice are very important to me, and I'm very like sensitive to what happens. And when I'm breathing in those paint fumes, I can feel my throat is closing up, and I get like bloody noses, and I get super dry, and my muscles get inflamed from the toxins that I'm breathing in. I gotta do something about this because I can't, I don't want to be the Little Mermaid. I gotta have my voice. And I think within 6 months I was taking training with Hempcrete and flew out to Idaho, did training with them. And after that, within probably another 6 months, I went and trained with Cameron for the first time. And then I went back again the next year to train with him on the spray, the E-Reezy sprayer. And then after 2 years, I was doing my own jobs. I have like an entrepreneurial background. I ran my own music studio. I ran 2 different painting businesses. I've done a lot of like, running businesses. One of my neighbors, learned about what I do and had heard about Hempcrete, and Detroit is a wealth of houses that are just waiting to be, reconstructed from a shell of itself, which is perfect for, hempcrete. It just kind of like fell into place, and I walked them through the process. They installed their own hempcrete. Having that like firewall between units that are connected is like a huge benefit. So those are the 2 like real life examples that I've used hempcrete in renovations. And I'm sure there'll be plenty more where that comes from.